Once you start testosterone replacement therapy, there's a very real chance you'll be on it for the rest of your life. That's not a scare tactic, it's biology. When you introduce testosterone from outside, your body often slows or shuts down its own production. So before you make that decision, and it can be a genuinely life-changing decision in the right circumstances, you need to understand exactly what you're trading, who TRT is actually right for, and whether you've truly exhausted the natural route first. This is the honest version, not the clinic's sales pitch, not the anti-TRT fear-mongering. Both paths have a place. By the end, you'll know which conversation you should be having with a doctor. Let's start with natural optimization, because for a large number of men, this is genuinely the answer, and they never find out because nobody told them to try. Here's the reality. Many men with low testosterone in their 40s are low for reasons that are completely reversible. Chronic poor sleep, carrying excess body fat, chronic stress and high cortisol, micronutrient deficiencies, sedentary living, and heavy alcohol use. Fix those, and testosterone often climbs substantially on its own. Lose meaningful body fat, fat tissue converts testosterone into estrogen, so excess weight is a direct hormonal anchor. Get your sleep to 7 to 9 quality hours. Lift heavy weights consistently. Correct vitamin D, zinc, and magnesium. These aren't small levers. In combination, they can raise testosterone 20–30% or more for a man who'd been neglecting them. The honest limitation, natural optimization has a ceiling. It can restore you to your healthy baseline. It cannot push you above your genetic potential, and it can't fully fix a man whose testes or pituitary genuinely don't work well anymore. For some men, especially those with clinically diagnosed hypogonadism, lifestyle alone won't be enough. And that's where TRT enters, honestly. Now, testosterone replacement therapy, done properly under good medical supervision for the right man, it can be transformative. Men describe the return of energy, drive, mental clarity, libido, and a sense of being themselves again. For someone with genuinely low levels, that's not vanity, it's quality of life. But you need the full picture, including the trade-offs. Trade-off 1, it's likely permanent. When you introduce testosterone from outside, your body signals itself to stop making its own. Come off it, and many men crash to levels lower than where they started, sometimes for months. Going on TRT is a commitment. Trade-off 2, fertility. Standard TRT typically suppresses sperm production and can cause infertility while you're on it. For a man who may want more children, this is a serious consideration that requires specific protocols to manage. Trade-off 3, it requires real monitoring. Proper TRT means tracking estradiol, hematocrit, your red blood cell concentration, which can rise dangerously, PSA, and cardiovascular markers. This is not get a shot and forget it. A good clinic monitors you for life. Trade-off 4, cost and logistics. It's an ongoing expense and an ongoing routine. Injections, pellets, gels, regular blood work. It becomes part of your life. None of these are reasons to avoid TRT if you genuinely need it. They're reasons to go in with both eyes open under a doctor who treats the whole system, not a pill mill. So let's make this practical. Who is each path actually for? Natural optimization is the right first move if you haven't yet dialed in your sleep, training, body composition, and nutrition. If you're carrying extra weight, if you're low energy, might be lifestyle driven. Frankly, this is most men. You owe it to yourself to give the proven, free, side effect free route a genuine 6-month effort before anything else. TRT becomes a legitimate conversation if you've genuinely optimized your lifestyle and your labs still show clinically low testosterone with real symptoms, if you have a diagnosed medical cause. If multiple proper blood panels, not one, confirm the picture and a knowledgeable physician agrees. Notice the sequence there. Lifestyle first, proper testing second, and I mean a full panel more than once, not a single rushed reading. Medical guidance third. TRT is a floor for men who need it, not a shortcut for men who haven't done the work. And one more honest note, be wary of any clinic that prescribes TRT after a 5-minute questionnaire and a single blood draw. The good ones are thorough, sometimes frustratingly so. That thoroughness is exactly what you want. Here's the bottom line. This isn't TRT versus natural as enemies. It's a sequence. Earn your natural baseline first. Test properly. And if you still need support, pursue TRT the right way with a doctor who monitors the whole system. The worst outcome is a man who jumps on TRT for life at 42 when 6 months of better sleep and training would have fixed him, or the opposite, a man who suffers for a decade with genuine deficiency because no one ran the right tests. Both mistakes come from the same root, not having the right information and the right blood work. So that's your action step. Get a proper full hormone panel before you decide anything. I've linked the exact panel and how to find a thorough men's health physician in the description. If this gave you a clearer head about the decision, subscribe. These are the videos I wish someone had made for men our age. Make the decision from data, not desperation.